Assalamu alaikum everyone. Our today topic is related to the research types we had discussed in the previous lecture. We had discussed the different types of research. So, from the angle or the perspective of application or applicability, we are going to discuss the basic research and applied research. But in today's lecture, we will only focus on the basic research or pure research or fundamental research. To basic research, we also say that it's also called pure research. It is also called fundamental research. But whenever we use the term basic research, we mean that it is some sort of intellectual efforts done by scientists, researcher, or any practitioner in order to develop new theories, methods, or procedures, or either to testify and justify the existing ones. From the existing ones means the research methods, methodology, or protocols. In other words, we see the validity and reliability of a particular research method, approach, or protocols, or anything related to research methodology. We see the validity and reliability of a particular issue. We may look forward to assess the feasibility of any particular method or procedure. Let's have an overlook to the pure or basic research from the angle of perspective of applications. Let's see basic research from the perspective of application research has been divided into two major branches, basic research and applied research. Basic research is also called pure research or fundamental research. By definition, pure research is sought in order to add to the existing body or research methods. From the definition, it has been concluded that from in basic research, we mostly focus on the modification of methodology or to or some innovative techniques to discover new facts and methods regarding research methodology. The second thing is why do we do pure research? The scientists, the researchers, and the intellectual community do pure research in order to test and produce new theories, new methods, and new protocols for conducting any particular study related to pure research or the overall research methodology. It means that we discover new theories to support the existing one. We produce new theories to testify or justify the existing one, either it is true or not, it is either it is applicable, feasible or not. The second thing is we do pure research to improve and modify the existing methodology. We have so many, every research design or every research topic has some sort of certain limitations and drawbacks. This pure research is just designed to overcome those particular limitation and drawbacks. We do pure research to develop modern and new research techniques and methods. These are the aims or the purpose of basic research. Basic research is done mostly by the scientists, the researchers, and any intellectual community in order to justify, testify new facts or the existing one. There are some steps in basic research. These are the overall steps common throughout any research design, either it is qualitative, quantitative, or experimental. Let's have a look to the steps in basic research process. There are mostly 5 to 6 major steps in every research process. Someone could call it introduction section. The second one is literature review. Third one methodology, or we may cite them here like identification. In identification, we state the particular problem, then we set research goals or objectives in order to try to answer the research questions. In this section, identification sections, we define and delimit the particular research topic or area of concern. We set objectives, then we state the problem, that this is the genuine and particular issue we are going to address, or we are going to assess, or we are going to conduct study on this particular topic. The second step is analysis of existing resources, and analysis, we can also say that it is also called literature review, but the analysis of existing resources or literature review, this is a common goal. In this step, we cite and study the particular area of concern from all existing resources, so that we may find out the existing gap and limitation in that particular area. So we do literature search in order to find out what has been done already in this particular topic, or what's the opinion of the previous intellectual community regarding this particular area of concern. So for that purpose, we do literature search in order to just but touch on the contribution of other peoples, and to know about their methodologies. In literature search, we also explore their angle of yeah, or way of looking from a particular to a particular topic from a particular stance. We see a lot of things, or we learn a lot of things in literature review. The third one is procedures and methods. And procedure and methods, here I would like to discuss one thing first, that is the analysis. Procedure and method depend on particular research design, and this depend on the nature of the topic. What is the nature of our topic, or the nature of our topic decide either we have to use experimental design, qualitative design, qualitative design, or any kind of design. It will decide the nature of our topic. Design, we decide to choose a particular design in the light of the nature of the topic, or on the basis of the nature of the topic we select a particular design. The fourth step is procedures of and methods of data analysis. In paper research, if we had used the qualitative design, we will use the qualitative methods of data processing and analyzing, like content analysis, grounded theory, and so many other techniques to saturate our the collected data in order to drive conclusion from them. If we had if the nature of the topic, our topic is quantitative, here we will use the quantitative methods like percentage, frequency distribution, standard deviation, range. Both inferential and descriptive statistics are the use of mathematical procedures or softwares in order to analyze the collected statistics. So the methodology and the third and the fourth step mostly depends on the nature of the topic. If the nature of the topic is qualitative, we will use the qualitative design. In qualitative design, we will focus on the data analysis techniques which we are using in qualitative design. If we had used the quantitative design, we will focus on the quantitative methods of data analysis for saturating the data. The first step is conclusion. It's also common in every research process, either it is paper research, either it is applied research, or either it is any kind of other research design. In conclusion or summary, we drive the final decision or what we had been done in the overall process. We display or we write the report of this whole process in very brief, and we suggest and we also highlight our study limitations and drawback and the steps. These are the areas which the future researchers must have to overcome. These are the further areas for conducting research study in this particular area. The fifth one is referencing. In referencing, we have so many methods, different school of thoughts, Chicago, Vancouver, APA, MLA, and we have so many international standards for referencing, but mostly in social sciences, we adopt the APA style, American Psychological Association, sixth or seventh manual. In referencing, we cite and we acknowledge the contribution of any particular person and cite them that we had used this in our literature search or in methodology or in this overall process or in the introduction section. Uh, I hope you have learned about basic research, paper research, or fundamental research. Wish you all the best and see you soon. We will discuss the applied research.